Welcome to my next video in the series documenting my journey through AI technologies to build a client self-booking system or patient appointment booking system using AI technologies. In this video, we're looking at correcting some issues with document uploading in relation to appointments. Okay, well, that took a bit of work. We've just implemented adding documents to appointments and also just adding documents to the patient or client's records without appointments. Appointments, all appointments are here showing on the appointments, but also they can be attached to an appointment so that when the doctor looks at, or the practitioner looks at the appointment details, they will see a document that has been uploaded attached to that appointment. But also you can just upload a document to the patient portal. So if I go upload new document, test result. This is uploaded successfully. And if I go back to documents, you can see there it is. If I view it, there's my heart scan, my brain scan. Beautiful. PDF document, then I can delete it. Delete this document, yes. Groovy. Refreshes the page. And there it is, it's gone. Also, if I book an appointment, so 9 o'clock, continue. This is my heart scan. Choose files. Confirm booking. And it will say, oh, oh dear. Okay, file upload failed. All right, back to the drawing board. Yeah, I know exactly what the problem is. I've been manually modifying the back-end code, and I must have missed something. All right, and I know exactly where that is. I'll be back. Book a new time slot, 9:30. There. Appointment booked and document uploaded successfully, and I received a notification text message. Awesome. Where is it? Be the 23rd, 9 a.m. and 9:30. Right. And if I go to documents, there it is, appointment upload. Cool. If I view documents for appointment booking, document name, and there's my heart scan. Cool. All right, groovy. Okay, that's great. That was well, it actually took a fair bit of time because there was some issues with the database. There was some issues with the programs. There were already programs there, but they were not. Neither of them actually matched the database design. So I had to change them, fix them manually. And then there was an issue with this page, but it turned out it was because I hadn't uploaded the JavaScript file. So it was causing confusion with the AI. Okay, now what else? What else can we do here? I think this is looking pretty good actually. Upcoming appointments. We can reschedule and cancel appointments. We've done that. Oh, hang on. What about rescheduling? Does that work? So let me see. That was, so this one at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Let's reschedule that for Saturday. What times? Right, is only available up to 12:30 and not between 11 and 11:30 because that's when he has his break. So let's make it there, 12:30. And for rescheduling, I can also attach documents. My scan. Booking. No appointment ID in response. It's not passing the appointment ID down. Okay, all right. Let's have a look at that. I'll be back because this is the first time I've done that particular function in the reschedule. So okay, got that sorted out. Wasn't too hard. So if I reschedule this, was it Monday the 26th at, hang on, 11:30 a.m. All right, 26th. Let's say make it for Monday the 27th at 9 a.m. Continue. Okay, this is my scan. Choose a file. Confirm booking. And it says, yep, appointment rescheduled successfully, documents uploaded successfully. Cool. And then if I have a look at my documents, so I've had a couple of tests. So that was the last one right there. Alrighty. So now we should have a look at the back office system and see what that looks like for the practitioner. All right, I'll just pause that and I'll log into the practitioner side. Alrighty, so we're going to have a look at the back office systems. So as before, it's mybooking.clinic/back office. Here, so it's Dr. 1. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so today's appointments. So I want to see calendar, those ones that I added the documents for. Okay, so we have an issue here. So if I have a look at appointments for that day, have a look at that appointment, and okay, view patient history, so that's working now. And we've got error uploading documents, so patient documents. So yeah, I could track it down myself, but I'll give Visual Studio Code a bit of exercise because it's been a bit lazy today. Ajax call, because sometimes it goes off and makes changes because it just makes a guess. Whoops, it did something then. Let me analyze what's happening. It made a change then. It happened so fast, I don't know what it did. Back office using session have your endpoints. Oh, okay. Right. Yep. Okay. It's picked it up. That's good. That was my guess. Okay, I've uploaded those programs that it said it modified, but the problem remains. Debugging messages and the log are the same. I'm still getting the message error loading documents. If the problem is in a clash of authorization functions, perhaps we need to look at the back office login functions to see what type of authorization it implements. Now, I could just go and look at it myself, but no, it's 9 o'clock. I've had enough of looking at the computer. I just want to go and have a beer and watch TV. Perhaps we need to look at the back office login functions to see what type of authorization it implements, and also the other back office programs, and blah, 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 blah. So I'll give it something to look at. Please investigate. Now I can see the back office login system is using session-based. Exactly what I thought. Yep. Okay. Right. That's exactly that I thought it was. All right. So I'll let it just do its thing. It's going to need to change the method of maintaining authorization across the session. All right. I'll let it do that, and we'll be back. Okay, cool. All right, I'll implement those tomorrow morning. All right. Catch you in the morning.